Hey, so in this tutorial, I'll show you how to use BitByBit Preview theme app extension block, and it allows you to link public projects. So BitByBit.dev has a possibility for you to create an account and then publish projects as public scripts, right? So you can find them here. You see that we have quite a few projects. And now we will take this project and link it as a product on Shopify. So it's public, which means that you can hit this preview icon here. And what it will do, it will open this experience in full 3D. You see that it's already working. The camera, the background is set up, and I can just rotate here. So this was created by a script, and we have a script here. So it's public. You can then open the script as well. You see here that we do quite some stuff to make this happen. And if I hit run here, so you will get the same experience as you saw before. So if you want to use this in Shopify, you can do that. Let's get back to our 3D Bits app environment in Shopify. And I will go and I will create a new product. And I will call it towel basket linked from BitByBit. So this is also an example for tutorial, and I will hit save. Now that I've done that, I will go again to the theme template. I will create a new template that I will call 3D Bits. So I'll go here, products, I'll create a new template, 3D Bits Preview, create. And now I will hit this product information block and I will add a new block. And I will add the preview block to this. So now you see again, as with the viewer, you get this canvas here. And what we only need to do is we need to link the model preview URL to 3D Bits model URL. This is what we did also with the viewer, but there were more metafields to link. Here we only have this one, and I'll just hit save. So now if we go into our product, let's go to the products, let's find our towel basket. So first thing I will do is I will tell the theme template to use 3D Bits Preview template that we've just created. I will hit save, and I will go to this preview script. I will copy this URL. I will paste it here into the 3D Bits model URL because that's the metafield that we've just linked, right? I'll hit save. And if we hit preview, and voila, you see that now it worked and you have the same experience as you have here, but then as a product in your Shopify. And you can, of course, enter the full screen with this button. And yeah, that's pretty simple. So if you have experiences on BitByBit developers platform that are public and you want to use those as your products, you can do that with this method. Maybe one thing I want to explain is in this situation where you just have a 3D scan, you can also use query parameters like OST is false and JSCAD is false and manifold is false. So this will just ignore all of the CAD kernels that we have and that are also loaded every time you preview the script. So this will just disable the loading of a lot of assets that are not needed for this experience. And yeah, so OST is a CAD kernel, JSCAD is a CAD kernel, and manifold is a CAD kernel, and those take some resources to load. So if you don't need that, and in this case we don't need that because it's just the basket that was 3D scanned, it doesn't require any CAD algorithms. So here we only need BabylonJS to render everything, and thus we can then just copy this link and use that in here. And if I hit save, this experience will still work. So let's preview that, and you see that it still works. It just will load much faster to your users. So if you want to use this product also on the left side of the product form, you can also do that with this. So we have now the media that we've uploaded, and let's go into this template. Now you can do, again, hit this preview, go into this configuration, try to prepend, and also let's make sure to remove the children. Okay, so now it's on the left side. Let's hit save. Let's refresh this preview, and you will see that now we have the form on the right side and the 3D environment here on the left side of your product page. And you can enter full screen and exit the full screen. Okay, this is it. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. This was a short one. Preview block is really small, right? It's just having one URL parameter that you have to link to the public BitByBit.dev script. You need to, of course, know how to code those environments and 3D experiences, but from the Shopify side, it's then very simple. Keep in mind also that these scripts are public. That means that everyone can access them also from BitByBit, right? So maybe sometimes this is not exactly what you want. And in the situations where you want to create your custom experiences that do not involve editors at all, then just use the viewer, and yeah, that's it. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this one. Let's see each other in the next tutorials. Cheers.